Hello everyone, and welcome to Coin Engineer. So Orbiter Finance launched these NFTs on Galaxy, and we think minting these NFTs is really important for the possible upcoming Orbiter Finance airdrop. So today I will show you how to mint your Orbiter Finance NFT. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So as you can see, there are 5 different NFTs. The Orbiter Ice Pilot NFT is the highest level, and the Orbiter Trainee Pilot NFT is the lowest level. Let's have a look at how you can mint each one. So as you can see from this sentence, in order to mint the Trainee Pilot NFT, you need to make 3 to 9 transactions on Orbiter Finance. And in order to get the Orbiter Pilot NFT, you need to make 10 to 49 transactions on Orbiter Finance. And it goes on and on. To be able to mint the Orbiter Ace Pilot NFT, you need to make 500 transactions using Orbiter Finance. Now, as you can see, it says you are not eligible for each one. Today I will show you how to make transactions using Orbiter Finance and to be eligible for the first NFT. So let's open Orbiter Finance and make some transactions. So we opened Orbiter Finance, and as always you will find all the links in the description box below of this video. Today I will transfer some funds from Arbitrum to Polygon. You can use any of these bridges if you'd like to use zkSync Era or Lights, Polygon, Ethereum, Arbitrum Nova, Loopring, Optimism, Immutable X, Starknet, and BNB Chain. You can use any of them. You just have to make at least 3 transactions to be able to get your first Trainee Pilot NFT. So I will transfer from Arbitrum to Polygon. So let's make our first transaction. Click on confirm and send, and then you will have to approve the transaction from your Metamask wallet. As you can see, we're paying 9 cents of gas. So let's wait for the transaction to be completed and we will continue. So as you can see, our first transaction is completed. Now I will send some funds from Arbitrum to Polygon again, and then send all of the funds from Polygon to Arbitrum back. And this will make 3 transactions in total, and we will be able to mint our first NFT. So let me complete these transactions and we will move on. So I made a transaction just like I told you. I transferred from Arbitrum to Polygon 2 times, and then I transferred all the funds from Polygon to Arbitrum back, and that made 3 transactions in total. So now if we open Galaxy again, and if we scroll down, you can see the first NFT is available to mint. So let's click on claim. And by the way, we will use Polygon to mint our NFT. So you will need to send some Matic tokens to your Metamask wallet in order to mint your NFT. So confirm the transaction. And you can see it says transaction has been submitted. As you can see, the transaction is success. So we will be able to see our NFT in our profile. So click on my NFTs and my OATs. And you can see your Orbiter Trainee Pilot NFT. As I said, if you'd like to get the higher level NFTs, you need to make more transactions, and it totally depends on you. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And with that said, I will see you guys in our next videos.